Either if you want to add favorite contacts on Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, go to phone and go to contacts, or you can go through this contact application where you'll find all the contacts from here. And at the very beginning you will find your profile, and down here at the middle you'll find add your favorite contacts. You can tap on it and select that contact that you want to add as the favorite on your contact list or contact book. For example, I'm going to select this one, then simply tap on done, and it will add as favorite from here. That's how you can simply add favorite from here. Or also you can tap on any number or any contact, then you can find this star button at the bottom left corner. If you tap on it, it will turn, when it turn into yellow, that means you just added this contact into your favorite list. Actually, that's how you can add favorite contacts on your contact book on S25 Ultra or S25. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.